Okay, guys, help with a car online. I'm gonna get straight to it. This is the Bmw X5 fuel filter. It was a pain in the ass. Here it is. I got the new one on, but I wanted to leave this stuff still apart for you guys. All right, there's a retaining clip on the fuel line to get this thing off. Okay, you're gonna need a little dinky little screwdriver just like this. There's no removal tool on this. There's no removal tool. You're gonna have to go inside this little hole right here. See that hole right there? Right there. And it's gonna pop that clip up, which is this right here. I just took the whole thing out. And you could just slide it back in when you put the fuel line back on. Also, this other little return line here, I had to get another piece of hose to replace this, to go back on this one, because it was totally disintegrated. This thing has never been changed since 2005. This is one of those things that people just totally avoid not changing on these BMWs because they're such a bitch to get to. And I see why they're a bitch to get to. You gotta take out about 20 screws like this. Okay, you're gonna have a 10 millimeter, you're gonna have a 10 millimeter bolt, and you're gonna have an 8 millimeter. And they're gonna line all the way here. Okay, I did a little cheat. I didn't take all of the bolts out. So what I did is I took out half the bolts on this side and this other top cover, and just brought it down close enough that I could get to it. So that's it. But it is a pain in the ass to get to. Also, you're gonna have to hand untighten all this stuff. You can't put any kind of impact on these. I got one of these bolts out. The other one I had to cut this off with some dikes, because of course you can't get no kind of vice grips or any not grips, but any type of cutting tools in here to cut this bolt off. So I had to just cut it out, and then I'll probably just zip tie it or something to keep it secure. But at least was able to save one, because this bolt was in here so long it just spinned in there. So I just saved myself another $300 because, you know, just for shits and giggles, I did call my guys at the shop, and they were like, man, that thing's in the middle of the car. You're gonna have to replace take down this whole cover, which they were right, which I didn't do. I took out half. So I hope this helped. Now I'm about to put this thing together. You're also going to need a drain pan, because gas is going to start coming out of this thing on both ends. So once you get those lines off, have this thing ready. Just go ahead and have this thing ready to pop those lines back on there and pop those retaining clips on there. They gotta go past this lip, because what the retaining clip does is gonna go over the lip. And it's going to hold the line in place so it don't pop out. So, yes, this was a pain in the ass. It actually took me a couple of days to do because it was raining, and I'm doing it on the ground. So, it'd been probably a lot faster for you guys that's got a hoist. But for you gearheads that's on the ground doing shit, on these, that's the way to do it. So, hope that helped. I know what to do. This is Dwayne from L&L Distribution at Help With Your Crib, Help With a Car, JRManagementLLC.com. Give us a call at area code 937-250-9506 or 313-728-4404, or check us out at Help With Your Crib, Help With a Car, JRManagementLLC.com. All right, I'm out.